Stripey documentary, Fat Cheek Chewing. This may go on a long time, folks. A very long time. Jesse, what do you think about this?
It's ridiculous.
You mean ridiculous? And he has camo, and he has left the arena. Stripey is still going crazy. We'll be back to Stripey craziness after we check out Nintendo, a brand new game, which is specially designed. And my dad's playing Ruzzle, the most lame game ever. And there's our gate. And Stripey is still going crazy.
Stripey, how does he do that?
I know. He's never gonna stop this now. He's done. No, you're fluffy, Dada. You're so fluffy, Stripey.